In this video, I'm going to show you how clients can set up their wallets and how you can make manual deposits into those wallets. So I have gone and added a contact to the system. So if I navigate over to wallets over here on the left-hand side, you'll see that Betty has automatically got a wallet created for her in the system. This is simply because she is a contact within my system. And if I click into Betty's account, you'll see that she has got this initial wallet. It is a USD wallet, and that is because that is the currency of my system. And she would be able to go and add an extra currency if I go ahead and change the localization settings in my system. So if I want to do that, I can simply come down here to Setup on the bottom left hand side, and I can come here to localization, and from here you'll see that I can change my base currency, which is US dollars, and I can change that to any fiat currency I want. And what I can do is come here to my user currencies, and I can enable whichever currencies I want. So let's say that I want to enable the GBP, and perhaps I also want to enable euros, so it was right there. So let's enable our euros as well. So we've got those three currencies now enabled for our users. If I save those changes and I navigate back to wallets and I click into Betty White's wallet, you'll see that she is then able to add those extra currency wallets. So we can add a euro wallet, and we can choose whether or not this is going to be the wallet that her commission is paid into. So I'm going to say no, and I'm going to hit save. So now Betty has those two different wallets. She's got her US dollars wallet and she's got her euro wallet. And now what we can do is actually make a payment into this wallet. And to do that, we're going to click on Actions and click Deposit Funds. We'll then be able to select the account, so either her US dollar or euro account. We're going to select the US dollars. We're then going to select the amount that we want to put in. We'll just say 100 US dollars, and then we'll add a description. So I'm just going to say description. Lovely. And then I'm going to click that I am confirming that I am sending that money to Betty White. And then I can click send 100 US dollars to Betty White. So now we can see that this has been successful and the funds have been deposited into her wallet. So we can click continue. Now, what does this look like from Betty's side? So let's go ahead and log in as Betty. So I'm going to navigate over to the live section here. We're just going to log in as Betty over here. So let's do that quickly. Betty@demo.com and her password. And then we're going to go to account and wallet. And you'll see here that Betty now has a balance of 100 US dollars in her US dollar wallet. You'll also see that her euro wallet has been set up, and she can also go ahead and add an extra account, and she can go ahead and add the GBP account and hit submit. She can also change which of these accounts she wants to receive her commission payments in. And you'll see that she has a list of her transactions over here. So we have the deposit of 100 US dollars and the description underneath, so what it is for, and the amount over here on the right hand side. So that is how you can make manual deposits into your clients' accounts. In the next video, I'm going to show you how commission payouts work into wallets. I'll see you there.